Do you want to know which media player is better? Today, we're diving into Jellyfin versus Infuse. Both tools let you stream your favorite movies and shows. They help you organize your media library and access content from anywhere. Let's start with Jellyfin. It's a free open source media server. You can set it up on your own server or computer. It supports many formats and offers a lot of customization options. Plus, it has a strong community that can help you with any issues. Now, let's talk about Infuse. This one is a premium app designed for Apple devices. It offers a sleek design and works smoothly with iTunes and other libraries. Infuse supports various file formats too, and it automatically downloads movie posters and metadata. So, what are the key differences? Jellyfin is free and more customizable, but it requires some tech skills to set up. Infuse, on the other hand, is user friendly and looks great, but it comes with a cost. When it comes to features, Jellyfin shines with its flexibility. You can tweak it to fit your needs. Infuse stands out for its beautiful interface and ease of use. If you want something simple and elegant, Infuse is the way to go. If you prefer a free option and don't mind a bit of setup, Jellyfin is perfect. In terms of pricing, Jellyfin is completely free. Infuse has a subscription model, so you'll need to pay for access. So, which one should you choose? If you want a budget friendly option and enjoy customizing, go for Jellyfin. If you want a polished experience and are okay with spending some money, choose Infuse. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.